Hey y'all, today I'm showing y'all how to wire up one of these to your go-kart or mini bike. So what you're gonna have is some wires right here. So you're gonna want to undo this clips right here. So all that you do to get it off is you just pull here, just like that. So you just gotta push that part up, and then you can have your wires out now. So what wire we're gonna be messing with? It's gonna be this one right here, the one with the two wires coming out, and then the black one that goes to this box right here. Not this one with the yellow one, this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug it right here, and then you have a bullet right here, bullet connector, the female bullet connector on it. So you have your kill switch right here. So you're gonna look at the end of it. So you just follow this cord all the way back, and you're gonna have these two things. Now you want to when you're buying a kill switcher, if you already have one, this is your ground, and this is your kill wire. So what you do is you plug this up to here, and you just undo this bolt right here, or really any bolt that you think would be good for a ground. I'm doing the gas tank bolt, and you put the ground like this. Grab your ratchet. Just hold it so it's nice and tight. So now you got your kill wire hooked up to there, your red wire that comes out your kill switch, and you got your ground hooked up to the gas tank, just up there. Now this thing doesn't matter really on like a mini bike or a go-kart because it's a low oil cutoff. So these wires right here are the low oil cutoff, and it doesn't really matter because when you like take a turn tight, it tries cutting off the engine. So just make sure you change your oil. So now that we got all this, I'm just going to rebundle it back into place. So once you got everything in a place where the wires won't get melted, just run this all the way up. So you unscrew these two bolts, that one and the one that's unscrewed. There used to be one in there. And then you can mount it to your bars. So I'm gonna have mine on the right side, whichever side you prefer, it doesn't matter. Just gonna mount it up. That's nice and tight. So now, just gonna run the cable. Okay, so I got it wired up nicely. Comes here, zip tied, and when you're wiring it, make sure that when you zip tie it, it doesn't restrict when you turn. So yeah, let me show you that it works. Like and subscribe. See y'all later on Louisiana Rebel TV channel. Later.